Right, before this video starts, I just wanted to do a quick intro, and as you've probably seen from the title, this is the best bits from 2023. Sorry if it's a bit echoey in here. As you'll see in an upcoming video, the workshop's had a little bit of a makeover, let's say. But I just wanted to put a little bit of a video together. I wanted to do this before, but with the way that the van is and what have you, I haven't had enough content to be able to do it. And this year, I have. And I've got to be honest, when I was editing this video, had some great laughs. I do want to say a massive thank you to the boys at the Doghouse. Without them, none of this would have been possible. So a massive thank you to those boys. If you're not, go over to their Facebook, give it a like, and follow along with what's going on. But I also want to thank each and every one of you for watching, for liking, subscribing, and following along the journey. I hope that you've enjoyed it and the shenanigans we've been up to. And here's to an amazing 2024. Please, if you're not already subscribed, go down, hit that subscribe button. Our links to all of our social medias will be down in the description below, but I'm going to stop rambling on. I'll let you get on to seeing the video. But as I said, thank you very much, guys, and I hope you enjoy. Enjoy the video. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning in the afternoon. You doing that? Did you not need it? Oh. Drum roll, please. This is my new van. You've already seen it. Just didn't realise it was mine. This van that you see me rip the dash out of the other day, this is my new van. Looking a lot emptier. So this thing is probably done for today, but I definitely have something good to work towards next time I'm here. Look who's arrived. Ah, someone's late to the party. Look at them, both together. One without an engine, one with an engine. One with good bodywork, one without good bodywork. Quite a fitting way to end the video, me driving my van. Bit of a different way of doing it. Hang on, try not to crash my van into my van. Right, let's pull all this crap out. Jeez. My van's no longer parked outside because she's inside. This van's now in here. As you can see, the interior is completely stripped out. In fact, the back is just full of scrap and rubbish. Now we need to do what we did to the green van and pull this engine out.
So you'll have a couple of plugs at the plug-in unit. And you had free torch.
And I got a free torch.
Huh? Free head torch. On the charge.
You got that one, and that little one that I had that was under the thing, I got that as well. I had that.
Hey, what do you want me to say?
I had that for free.
One by the time I get here tomorrow, if that top only drop down to this part of the garage.
It's a nice torch as well, mind.
Well, my friend, she's officially goose.
Oh, bless her. She's done well.
Hurry up.
just have an Overwatch a day. We have clocked one of my torsion bars. We'll get on to actually showing you the other one in a bit. As you can probably hear, there's some grinding going on in the background. That's because Jonathan is doing some cutting.
I think that's what we need, my friend.
I don't think I need a lot more than that, am I? That is the original side. And that is the new cut side. Well done, Dave. Jonathan's bay window on the ramps. That's because he's lowered it. And Di has been very busy by making a frame. Probably one of the coolest things I've ever seen. I mean, it doesn't matter what angle you look at this from, this thing looks insane. There's a new roof, because the boys are having a new roof. You've probably seen that there's a bit of tarpaulin up, and you can see there's slight bubbles where the water's come through. In fact, we did recently pop that one, and it took 2 days to empty. It was just, there's just leaks. So, they've got themselves a nice new roof, which will be going up very soon. I have had a little bit of a go at welding, and the welder may or may not have broke. Nothing to do with me.
At all.
So, Di's doing it. Thank you, Di.
Better than you.
Better than no. Because we put all this on. That's just because we ran out of the sheets, so we get a couple of more of them ordered, and then that'll be done. Well, we do have to still do the fascias as well. This at the minute is the office slash dumping area. On top of it there were a load of parts and what have you, and there is this area out here, and this is all coming down. We're trying just to tidy all this lot up, because there is going to be an actual proper office built by here, and we just need to clear all this scrap out. No more walls.
Room for a beetle.
Perfect amount of room for a beetle.
And then we're going to fold this back up on itself.
You'll see in a sec, but that's the bit that's getting cut out. Hopefully you can see on the camera. Nice little angle for the steering arm to go into.
Sweet.
Get the table.
Table. Trolley, table. Ready? Oh. Little bit of edge on that. Oh. You put it back down and do it again?
Yeah. But that's basically why everything's been notched. That should be well and truly hitting the chassis by there.
And you get longer travel on the shock because the shock moves up. You want to cut that fucking quick and easy, huh?
Oh, you tell me after I cut it, yeah.
Well, you don't fucking make it work. But you just fucking need me in there.
Yeah, wait till I finish and tell me how it's easier way of doing it. Yeah, go on. The outside of the office has been painted too. Looks a hell of a lot better.
One Polish genius.
A white. And a grey.
Guy, even in the camera, that looks white and white.
No, that's white and grey.
Nah.
100%. Light grey.
Guy's been in here and he's been running all the electrics for the electrics.
Yeah. Yeah.
They moved the big doghouse sign that was there, and that now goes pride of place on that wall. This whole wall, from back there, all the way along, all the way down, but onto that bit of wall there. That's all been painted. And doesn't that look better?
You know what, I'll scrap down your van, move all that junk out of the way, fed up with him and his rubbish in front of my office.
What fucking rubbish? Where's the rubbish? Where's the rubbish?
Look at him, messy, dirty, poor.
Why? Because I'm tight, I try fucking reuse every single one.
You're making my pretty office look bad.
We have all just agreed that we are doing the NC 500 next year. John's doing the NC in his bay, which we'll go and have a look at. Guy will be doing it in the yellow one. And I'm doing it in this. Should be fun. John always likes doing a job when I got a camera on because it always takes longer. Kind of fun.
I've been shafted.
Hey. Swamp. Oh, here's a closer look of the vehicle dice taken to the NC 500, hey? A little bit of rust. Because John's up to something.
You're gonna make me a convertible for summer.
The convertible T4.
Ready for summer.
John's about to make himself a convertible. Well, this is how far we've got.
3, 2, 1.
I'm glad this is light. Poor yellow van, it looks so much worse from this side. There's another bit here.
Nice and easy.
Scrap. Brilliant.
Yeah, I'll take that. Ta-da! Don't worry, be happy. Subaru. They've escalated. Like, this thing no longer has a back.
Oh, you're doing right from the net. No?
Yeah. Ah! Fucking bastard! I popped through the air filter.
Oh, fuck off.
Yeah, popped through the air filter into my arm.
What, a flame?
Yeah! Can we not do that again?
Yeah.
Go on, boy.
Yeah, mate. Oh, fuck off. Every time I get from underneath it.
I don't know, but that innocent face is fucking telling me different.
Oh, no, fucking me, bud. Or John. You know like that?
No? Oh, okay. Like that, is it? Well, I'm going to put this camera down and resolve this problem, so I'll see you in a sec.
Oh, God, it's hard with being 30. Oh. So much as yesterday, innit? Yep.
Clean the knife.
Fool.
Ah!
That's just all on you, the cake.
Ah, my finger burnt and then that went... Look.
You realise what that torch is?
Yeah, I do now, yeah.
Christmas. We're gonna go for this one.
Look at that.
No. Talk about tomorrow.
Gonna leave that there before Di starts shouting again.
And doesn't perfect. Oh, it does.
Oh, yeah.
You're not that fat.
Ooh.
I said you're not that fat. That was actually a compliment.
You're done with this now?
John's happy now because his screen still works. Scooby Bay. There's the Scooby engine. And there's the bay front. Fire's in. Lovely and warm over this side. John's got a good bit of the garage now. How are we, Mr. Day?
Alright.
Having a fun day?
Things I gotta do.
We're going to say thank you to Di. Thank you, Di. Mr. John's over here making a mess.
Oh, shiny.
Oh. Right, you got the idea. I'm not going to bore you with me painting all this. I've done this little bit here. I was hoping it was going to be not so cream, but never mind. As you can see, engine bay is all nice and painted. And I've given these two idiots the opportunity to paint my engine bay with neon paint.
Yeah.
We got, what's this? Pink? Is that pink?
Yeah. Yeah, I love the dye.
We got pink, yellow, John's got purple, and there's also orange.
I had bigger splashes.
It's all in the thing, so we've got to go and
Yeah? A couple of grown men throwing paint at an engine bay. It's going to look brilliant when you're broken down, Carl.
I've never more on me than... There's a van there. No shit. Dumbass.
Yeah, as you can see. Oh, shit.
No.
This paint is cold.
Terrible.
No, it's cold.
Looks like any parent's worst nightmare. There's not enough runs in there, you want more thicker stuff. Like that, that's perfect. Whoever did that. Like me. How much are we supposed to be doing?
As much until you don't want to do anymore.
No, but I just want to know how much is too much then?
I don't think there is a too much option.
Oh, I am graffiti man.
These two have definitely helped. That looks mad through the camera. Pleased.
Thing is, by the time we cover it in some oil.
Oh, alright. Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. Thank you very much, Dave.
Thank you guys.
Enjoy. Thank you very much, John.
Thank you.
Did not realise you were that close. Thank you very much for putting out with our dumbass. And as always, take it easy.